My main competitor's website is 3 years old and they have an average of 800 backlinks. If I start blogging now, do you think it will take a long time to outrank them? So let's come back over to Ahrefs real quick. So you can see over here for our website for Linkslot, we have 3.5K backlinks, and then we have 1,000 or 968 referring domains, right? So this is actually the number that you want to look at. Referring domains is the much more important number. This number backlinks doesn't matter as much because one website, one domain could link to you 1,000 times, right? So you could get 1,000 backlinks from one website, and Google doesn't treat that the same way as they treat 1,000 backlinks from 1,000 different websites, right? It's like like one website is essentially like one vote for you. It's not saying that more backlinks from one website can't help you, especially if it's a really good website. Like I'll take every link from the Washington Post that they want to give me, right? However, it doesn't. I don't think they count them quite as much after you start getting multiple links from the same website, and I think that's pretty like well held like SEO knowledge, right? So yeah, first of all, make sure you're looking at this number right here. Then the next thing I would do is come over and click backlinks over here. And then what you want to do is we're going to apply a very low filter. So we're going to say a DR minimum of 10, which is still a low DR. And we'll say domain traffic more than 250, which also is a very low amount of traffic. And then we'll say do follow backlinks like this. So what we're going to be getting now is, see, we're starting with basically 1,000 links, and this is going to cut it down by a lot. So now you can see we've only got about 100 links that are passing this this quality filter, and I'd say about 10%. Like when you do this to any website, I feel like 10% of whatever the original number was. Like, so we started at 1,000, now we're down to 110. This is pretty normal. And so what that'll show you is a much more realistic number of the number of quality links that you're going to need to build to catch up to them. So, you know, in the beginning, if someone said, oh, we want to catch their links a lot, but, you know, they got 1,000 referring domains, it's going to take us forever. We don't have the budget to build 1,000 quality links. Of course, it's a lot easier to build 100, right? And then you could take 100, you could divide it by 12 or whatever. You know, that's less than 10 links a month. So, you know, you're just gonna have to factor in, you know, how high quality their links are, because it's never always just like exact, right? It's never just like, oh, if I build the exact number of links that they have, am I gonna catch them or beat them? It doesn't work like that. But by doing what I did, by filtering it down, making sure you're getting that lower number of quality links, that'll give you a much more realistic estimate. But you could really go into there even further and analyze things even more, and you probably even remove a lot of that to get an even lower number, and start building quality links to try to catch them. You know, you're not gonna make sure you're also not trying to catch them with low quality backlinks. So if they have 100 quality links and you're trying to catch them with 100 PBNs for $5 on Fiverr or whatever, you know, good luck. It's not going to work. It's not going to work out for you. So a little bit of analysis is required if you're really trying to gauge like what kind of budget you want to expect from the backlink perspective. Which I guess kind of leads to another point, you know, is that backlinks are not the only part of SEO. You know, there's a bunch of other factors at play. You know, you've got your on-page SEO, your technical SEO, your content, your topical authority, other off-site signals, like if you're getting traffic from things like YouTube or social media, off-page brand dimensions. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff going on, but you know, essentially your content, your topical authority, and your backlinks are kind of like the big ones, right? But all the other kind of stuff kind of factors in as well, at least to an extent. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Just kind of filter that number down, then kind of divide it out. And you know, if you don't know how to build links, find a provider. You could check us out over at linkslot.co, or go check out, you know, some other trusted providers out there, and then figure out like what kind of budget you think you're going to need, you know, per link. If you need a bunch of like DR 51 plus links, or DR 40 or 30 plus links or whatever, and just figure out the budget is for whatever number you're trying to catch up to. It's so, you know, if I wanted to catch up to 100 backlinks, you know, essentially I could build 100 backlinks in 1 month if I had the budget, right? So you could catch them quite quickly if you really needed to. But anyway, yeah, hopefully that helps, man. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.